Hello everyone. Today we are going to cover the different concepts of IoT. So what is Internet of Things? How IoT works? Current status and future prospects of IoT. Knowledge management from data to wisdom. The future of IoT. Potential of IoT. Few applications of IoT. Technological challenges of IoT. Criticisms and controversies of IoT. And references. What is IoT? So IoT is the Internet of Things which connect anything to the internet and share the data with the help of cloud. So in Internet of Things you can connect anything to the internet, but it not only connect the things to the internet, but you can share the data on cloud using different types of cloud like ThingSpeak Cloud or Zuli Cloud, etc. So IoT allows the object to be sensed and controlled remotely across existing network infrastructure or creating opportunities for more direct integration between the physical world and computer-based system and resulting in improved efficiency, accuracy and economic benefit. So how the history of IoT is that this concept becomes popular in 1999 through the Atto ID Center at MIT and related market analysis publications. So RFID is very important sensors that is used in the IoT. So how IoT exactly works? IoT is not result of single novel technology. Instead of several complementary technical development provide the capabilities and taken together help to bridge the gap between virtual and physical world. The different categories of IoTs are communication and cooperations, addressability, identification, sensing, actuations, embedding information processing, localization, user interface. So how IoT works? Here we consider one example which uses the RFID or different sensors and how it works. So RFID is basically radio frequency identification. So to identify and track the data of things we use the RFID tag. Already in the industrial visit we had seen how the RFID tag will work. So sensor will collect and process the data to detect the changes in the physical status of things. So to enhance the power of network and devolving the processing capabilities to the different part of the network, we use the smart technology like IoT. So nanotechnology to make the smaller and smaller things have the ability to connect and interact. The structure of IoT uses the different things like tagging things, filling things, shrinking things and thinking things. So what is the tagging things? Real-time items, traceability and addressability by the RFIDs. And filling things are sensors act as a primary devices to collect the data from the environment. So there are different sensors available in the market. We can use that sensor for filling things. So like your ultrasonic sensors or different sensors you can take for the filling sensors, shrinking things, miniaturizations and nanotechnology has provoked the ability of smaller things to interact and connect within the things or smart devices. So thinking things means embedded intelligence is the devices through the sensor can sense the data in the form of network connections to the internet. It can make the things realizing the intelligent control. So like your smart control, you can say. Current status and future prospectus of IoT. So this is one of the example given how the different devices are connected with the different persons and how it works. So in 2003 or 2010, 2015 to 2020, so world population users are connected with the different devices and how the that particular uh, changes will be happen in the world. That is the scenario of this prospectus of IoT. IoT as a network of network. So this Internet of Things, this is one of the example given where the IoT can be useful. So in the business, home, education, transport, energy, other things, you can use the IoT concept. So individual network, connected network, you can use with the security analytics and management, you can use the different perspectives. So knowledge management, so you require data, information, knowledge, understanding and wisdom. So data is nothing but the raw data. The raw data is processed, that is called as information, and with the help of that information, what knowledge you will get, that is nothing but the processed data. So what will be the outcome from that information, what you understand, and what will be the output you get, that is the wisdom. So this is the more data that is created, the better understanding and wisdom people can obtain. The future of IoT. So this is just what will happen when 50 billion machines become connected with the IoT, and how the IoT become very strong when 50 billion machines get connected to that particular IoT. So this is also one of the industrial example given of potential of IoTs. Unlocked and massive potential of IoT. So improve performance, creative innovative services, reduce cost and new revenue stream. So you can implement IoT in industry also, for the home automations also. So there are different applications of IoT. So few applications of IoTs are discussed over here. So building and home automations, manufacturing, medical and healthcare system, media, environmental monitoring, infrastructure management, energy management, transportations. So better quality of life for elderly. So for paralyzed person also, you can use the IoT devices which will help that person or that particular people how to survive from that. So these are the different applications of IoT. You can see here: smart parking, efficient waste management in smart cities, supported by the sensing as a service. IoT application scenarios for shopping. So RFID tag you can use for the shopping also. How many steps have you walked today? How well do I sleep? So smartwatch also we can use. I want to know more about myself. Thought control computing. So technological challenges we will see in the next presentation. Thank you.